Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually under the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Nusuk. So brand Nusuk is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates, and this is the first of their fragrances I'm unboxing and reviewing. So I just wondered how is the quality, what they're doing and things like this. So this one in particular is called Nusuk Blue Oud, and 100 ml Eau de Parfum is targeted unisex. As you can see, the box is quite very good looking. So this genre of blue oud is quite trendy right now. There are a few big names that making these fragrances. Started with Abdessamad Al Qureshi Blue Oud, which is quite expensive, about £300, and then he went to Ibrahim Al Qureshi, and then to Amouage, and so on and so forth. There are a few of them made it, and the reason other people are trying to do the same because they are suddenly very popular and many people praising them. So let's see how this one goes. Before I do the unboxing and first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Use your finger, hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. So without further ado, let's go. As I said, the beautiful box, sorry about the noise. So as you can see, very good looking box. As always, the Middle Eastern brands, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink, especially for a price. This one in particular, in the United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. So here we go. Wow, very good looking bottle. Very heavy bottle. Look at that. Super heavy bottle. Very blue, quite dark blue. Almost navy, and very good looking and heavy bottle. So let's see how is the cap. So the cap is engraved. Wow, super heavy cap, is metal, is about 200 grams itself. And here we go, the atomizer is modern. Here we go. Very good atomizer. It's pressurized, it gives mist out. Very good. Okay, so how is the Blue Oud by Nusuk? And this is Eau de Parfum, 100 ml. As I said, this is targeted unisex. If you hear any background noise, I apologize. This is my neighbor. After many months, they're still having building work. It's a big headache, but what can we do? Okay, here we go. First sniff, first impression. Holy moly! First thing it hits me is the sweetness. So it's quite sweet. 0 to 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest for the first impression, first sniff. This is around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet. Sorry. I can feel something like oud in here, so it's not just a name. It's quite oudy, but the oud is very relaxed, it's very palatable, it's very soft, is almost Western style of oud. It's not a pungent, animalic, funky oud. No, it's very relaxed and very rounded, very palatable one. Quite aromatic, so I'm feeling something like lavender, definitely. So it's very aromatic right now. It's quite green in the same time, so I'm feeling something leafy, something grassy, something earthy. So it's at the moment it's not just blue, it's green as well as blue. So let's see little bit of animalicness coming from a leather smell. So I'm detecting something like a leather, and the leather at the moment is in the background, but giving it a hint or a tinge of animalicness. Not huge, not a big one, but is there and I can detect it. So it's a little bit of animalicness coming from the leather. Definitely watery feel to it, but the water here is not a typical aquatic, fresh, oceanic, sea salt. No, none of those. It's just a watery, and you can feel the water. The only thing is, it's not salty, it's not oceanic, it's not sea salty, it's none of those. It's like a fresh water smell, more like smell of fresh water than the sea. So it's quite watery and you can detect it, and that green aspect helps it as well. It gives it that you know, it's like reminds you of some sort of watery aspect. Definitely woody base apart from that oud. The oud is at the moment in the background, but I can smell something woody. The woods are here probably cedar and also sandalwood, because it's quite smooth and rounded, so it's quite well done. And overall, for a first sniff, first impression, I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Does it live up to the name Blue Oud? Yes, at least for the first and first impression. So imagine it's oody and is water in the same time. The water, as I say, is a typical aquatic water, okay, aquatic fragrance, but you can feel it, you can detect it, and it's a combination which is, you think it's impossible, but they done it here and they done it quite well. I smell something tiny bit of chocolatey feel to it as well. Probably most likely it's a bit patchouli. It's got earthy, it's quite rooty, and also a little bit of chocolatey feel to it. So that's a telltale of signs of patchouli. So most likely there's a big patchouli in here. And that big patchouli giving it a full body, giving it around it, giving it a very big base, and it lifting everything up. I'm feeling something musky as well, but again, it's in the background. It's not a huge player right now. So the biggest player, first thing first, is quite spicy. The spices, little bit of nutmeg, little bit of cumin, little bit of cinnamon, but at the moment it's very, very spicy. Yeah, very spicy, and also aromatic. So aromaticness come from that lavender, probably is something else like maybe a violet leaf in here, because you're giving it that aromaticness, quite full-bodied aromaticness. And the oud in the background, the woods in the background, the musk is in the background, and also the woody base, a little bit of patchouli in here, more than a little bit, it's quite a big patchouli in here. A little bit of animaticness comes from the leather. The leather here is a little bit on the, it's not a dark, it's not very light either, it's medium leather. So it is not a dark one, but it's not a light one either. So it is a medium, but giving it that hint or tinge of animalicness. And also that watery aspect, which is very, very interesting. I'm not sure where does that come from, but giving me that watery feel. Also green, leafy, earthy. So it's quite complex for what I paid for it, under £30. Let's see how is the longevity and the performance. If the performance is anything good, OMG, we have a banger on our hand. For first and first impression, yes, yes, yes. The only thing is, this is not for everybody. The reason is because it's got a hint of animalicness, and also it's quite oriental. Although it says Blue Oud, is mainly oud and little bit of blue, so mostly green and spicy, earthy, little bit of animalicness, musky, woody, green, and all very, very spicy as well. So overall, yes, 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 I'm loving it. The age definitely 25 and up to be on the safe side. Season, this is better suited for cooler weather, but it's because it's got a freshness to it as well, so it's quite a green, it's quite watery. You can use it all year round, in summer less, in winter more sprays. And in terms of where you can wear it, this is evening opulence, evening special occasion, and formal and things like that. So but obviously if you like to use you know, you pay for it, you use it where you like and when you like. And also in terms of value for money, yes, at the moment it smells very good, the quality of the ingredients are good, the perfumery is quite balanced and nice, it's nothing out of place, it's quite rounded. So far so good, but we have to wait and see for the performance. I'll let you know in the next video the performance development, things like that, and we'll take it from there. But for first impression, in terms of presentation, yes, very good for the money. In terms of smell, very good for the money, and in terms of the perfumery and the quality is very good again for the money. Okay guys, thank you very much. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, 100% natural, amazing value for money, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.